today we have a visitor, a bird. And Mish is trying to chase after her from outside. But Basbousa came inside. What is it, Mish? Basbousa. Oh, the bird is stuck. I have to open the door for her. Oh, what was there? What did you catch there? Oh, they caught it. They caught the bird. Oh no. Oh boy. What happened? He comes out. You're late. Look. All the action is gone. Finished. I guess Catcoot managed to catch the birds.